Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the VEVOR Commercial Immersion Blender. A powerhouse in the kitchen with its 750W pure copper motor that ensures safe voltage and long-lasting quality, having undergone 6,000 life tests. This heavy-duty hand mixer operates quietly and efficiently, with adjustable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 20,000 RPM, making it perfect for blending everything from soups to smoothies with just a simple push. Designed for convenience, its detachable parts make cleaning a breeze, and the dishwasher-safe industrial immersion blender blade adds to the hassle-free maintenance. The one-button operation, coupled with a rubberized comfortable grip and a lock button for prolonged use, ensures safe and controlled blending, while the overheating protection feature allows for continuous use with short breaks. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel blades, this stick blender doubles blending efficiency, effortlessly chopping, grinding, and unleashing the nutrients of your ingredients. Its user-friendly wall mount design offers an innovative storage solution, keeping your kitchen organized and hygienic. With the VEVOR Commercial Immersion Blender, you're not just blending, you're elevating your culinary experience with a tool that's as versatile as it is powerful. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.